And then we can go ahead and put the curiosity right in between both of these points right here, just like that. And now look how that's looking. That's looking pretty good. Let me show you how to create an affiliate sales funnel so you can promote any product you want and get paid for it automatically. Now, first things first, we're right here on Swap Funnels. And the cool thing about Swap Funnels is that all of the funnels is already done for you. You don't have to go and create anything. All right. We don't want to build funnels. We just want to promote our products, okay, and market them. So on Swap Funnels, all I did was press squeeze page right here, and then boom, it gave me a squeeze page just like this. Now on this squeeze page, all we have to do is put an image right here, change some text, and attach this to our email provider. So let's go ahead and do that. Ask them a question that they already know would be the answer yes. So what we're going to type right here is, are you ready to finally lose the weight? I think that's an easy question that they know the answer yes to, right? So the next thing that we want to do is we want to come over to this image. Now here's what I want to do. I want to go over to ClickBank and find my product, right? And the product, I'm just going to go right here to top offers. And the product I want to do right here is Pure Vibe right here, okay? And so what I want to do is I want to go over to the affiliate page. Go ahead and put in our affiliate link inside of this page. Now, here's what we want to do. I want to go ahead and screenshot this page right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to image and I'm going to put that screenshot of that image right here inside. Great. Now, as you can see, we have the image right here, right in the middle, right? And this is something so they can go ahead and say, yeah, I want to watch that video. They're going to try to click it and then boom, the pop-up or whatnot is going to come up and they have to submit their information in order for them to go any further, right? So now that we have the image right here, now all we have to do is just fill out this information right here. Again, guys, you shouldn't be creating any funnels. We marketers, right? We're not funnel builders. We just want to be able to put the information in and go ahead and market it. All that extra time in building funnels is not necessary here in Swap Funnels. So now we can get an attention, get a headline here in and get this headline, something like this. Boom, just like that. Right here, the button says get yours free. We can choose watch video now. Right here, we can give them a little bit more curiosity. So we'll come back over here and then we can go ahead and put the curiosity right in between both of these points right here, just like that. And now look how that's looking. That's looking pretty good. Now what we want to do is we want to try to match the colors of our offer. And as you can see, everything here is green. So what we want to do is we want to turn everything in here green as well so we can be matched and look good, right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the button and then all we want to do is just turn the button a little bit green. That's all, just like that. And the second thing, what we want to do is we want to come over here to the button title, just like that. And then we just want to turn this green as well. And that looks pretty good. And then the same thing right here with the paragraph section. So what we want to do is we want to come over here to body text and then we just want to turn that black, just like that. And so far so good, guys, right? I mean, it's looking fantastic so far. Now what we want to put right here is our logo, or you guys don't have to put a logo at all. You can completely delete it, right? If you want to, if you just want to keep it normal like that. But for my instance, I'm just going to go ahead and slap a logo on back there. And now all we need left is a background, right? Because the background is looking a little bit too plain. So we can go ahead, go to background, we can go to the images and we can ask AI to give us some sort of background and give us a background with tropical beach and palm trees, right? And we're going to use just like that. We're going to go ahead and press generate and let's see what AI gives us. Beautiful. So AI gave us a couple of these images. I think they look pretty dope. So I'm going to choose the one right. I think I'm gonna choose this one right here. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this image right here. Now you can see we have the tropical trees in the background. It looks pretty dope. Now, I don't want the trees to be just so blatant like that. I want to cover it up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a background image blend. I'm going to go to color burn, just like that. Go over here, choose a color, put the white all the way up just like that. Bring this down a little bit just so they can see a little bit of tropical trees in the background, right? Something like that. And that looks pretty good. And I'm gonna press check mark and I'm gonna press save, just like that. And so far our landing page is done just like that. We got a landing page up and running that quick. Now the cool thing about once they put their information in and go to the next page, this video right here is going to be the video that plays for our affiliate link, which is this video right here. So as you can see, as soon as they come to this page, the video is going to automatically go ahead and play once they press click that video. So we are sending them to a video page, which is why we screenshotted the video. Great. So now the next thing that we need to do with this landing page, because we are finally finished, is we need to connect this to our email provider. So what we're going to do is press the settings button right here, and then we're simply just going to go to email account. We're going to choose which provider we are going for. We're going to go ahead and choose MailChimp. and now we can press add, and now it's asking us for our account name and API key. So all we have to do is simply go over to MailChimp right here. At the top right, as you can see, we're on the home or whatnot, and so at the top right, we're going to go over here, and now we're going to choose account and billing. And then over here under the extras tab, we can go to API keys, and under API keys, we can go ahead and create an API key. And now what we want to do is we want to name this API key, so therefore we don't get lost where our keys are on what platform. So we can go ahead and use this with our SWAPFUNNELS, right? And boom, now we can go ahead and generate that API key. Once we got that key copied, now we can simply go right back over here. We can put in our API key for our account name. Account name can be SWAPFUNNELS for right now. Go ahead and submit that. Great, so now that that's finished and our email is finally connected, we can simply go back to our email provider, which is MailChimp, right? We can go ahead and create a regular email, or we can create something like an automation, right? That'll automatically go out. But in our case, we don't want to create a full automation. You guys can like do that whenever you want. So for this instance, we're going to go ahead and just create a regular email. This is the email that's going to be automatically sent to those people who opted in on our email form. So we can simply go ahead and fill in all of this information. So for time's sake, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out for you guys. So all I'm doing is going to the affiliate marketing section right here under the product, and they already have the emails already filled out for us. So all we got to do is copy that subject, and then we simply go back to MailChimp and we put the subject in here just like that, right? Then we press save, and now we can go to the content section, which is design email. I'm gonna choose the very first one right here, just like that. Now on here, I'm gonna delete everything that I don't want. Now right inside of here, inside of our MailChimp on our first email campaign, what we can do is we can go back over here. We can copy this to clipboard, text copy, just like that. Go back to MailChimp, come over here, highlight everything, and paste that right in. Just like that. And look how easy that is, guys. I mean, it just doesn't get any easier than that. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here, and then you just want to edit a couple things in here. And now we can go ahead and we can highlight this text right here, and we can go ahead and press this little chain link right here, and we can use our affiliate link just like that. Now as you can see, it already have our affiliate link inside of here. All we have to do is press insert, and it's as easy as that. And this one as well, it has already our affiliate link inside of there, and we can go ahead and put our name in right here, and that's done. So our affiliate links is already in there. So all we have to do is preview our email, which looks fantastic so far, and we can go ahead and press save and close. It's going to be our email that we are going to be automatically sending out to those people who sign up through our landing page right here. Now once they sign up through our landing page, right, we have to put our link inside of here as well. So right here is called the success action, and inside the success action right here, it says display a message or redirect to a custom URL. We want to redirect them to a custom URL to our landing page, just like this. Redirect them, put our affiliate link in just like that, press the check mark just like that, press save just like that, right? And then, I mean, this is easy as that, guys. Now all we have to do is exit the visual builder, and boom, our landing page is done. I mean, it's easy as that. So we can go ahead and test it right now, I guess. So we can to TTE, and let's go ahead and put some email in. And just like that, as you guys saw, it took us straight to the affiliate page right here. I mean, that's exactly what we want to do, right? And it's as simple as that, guys. So I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click the link down below and get SWAPFUNNELS today, so you don't have to build any funnels or anything like that. Just go ahead, swap out some images, swap out some text, and be done. In a matter of 5 minutes, you're done, and you can start making money in affiliate marketing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.